When connecting solid wires with wire nuts, it's important to adhere to best practices and National Electrical Code guidelines. It is not recommended to twist the wires together before applying the wire nut. This practice, while sometimes seen, can lead to several potential problems. Firstly, twisting the wires introduces extra contact points between them. While a tight connection is desirable, these additional contact points can actually increase electrical resistance. This increased resistance hinders the flow of current and can lead to energy loss and even overheating of the connection. Secondly, twisting the wires weakens them. The act of twisting, especially with solid core wire hardens the copper and makes it more susceptible to breakage, particularly with repeated bending or manipulation. This is especially problematic in situations where you might need to disconnect or reconfigure the wiring in the future. Thirdly, isolating wires that have been twisted together can be difficult. If you need to disconnect or isolate a single wire for testing or modification, untwisting the wires can be cumbersome and may damage the insulation of the wire itself. Fourthly, there is an increased likelihood of short circuits. If the twisted wires are not properly and completely covered by the wire nut, the exposed conductors can come into contact with each other or with grounded surfaces, leading to short circuits. Instead of twisting, the recommended procedure is as follows. 1. Strip approximately 3/4 of an inch of insulation from the ends of the wires you want to connect. Use a wire stripper tool to avoid nicking or damaging the conductors. 2. Lay the wires parallel to each other, ensuring that the stripped ends are aligned and of equal length. This ensures that the wire nut will make uniform contact with all the conductors. 3. Insert the aligned wires into the wire nut. Push the wires firmly into the wire nut, ensuring that all the stripped conductors are fully enclosed within the nut. 4. Tighten the wire nut. Twist the wire nut clockwise until it is firmly seated on the wires. You should feel some resistance as the wire nut threads engage with the conductors. 5. Give the wires a gentle tug to ensure they are securely held by the wire nut. The wire nut is designed to create a secure and reliable connection without the need for twisting. The internal threads of the wire nut bite into the conductors, creating a tight mechanical and electrical bond. By following this method, you can ensure a safe, reliable, and code-compliant electrical connection. Remember to always turn off the power before working on any electrical circuits and to consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns.